Hello everyone, Sai Ram. Children, do you know what are we going to do in drawing today? We are going to do the name page. So our today's topic is name page. In the name page, you are going to write your name, standard, division and decorated page. So shall we start now? First, we are going to see what are the materials needed. A ruler, a pencil, black color sketch pen or black color pointed marker pen, colors and a drawing book. If you don't have the drawing plain book, then you can take any plain white paper and you can draw. Yes, children. First, you have to draw the border lines from all the four sides. Children, you all have to observe properly how teacher is drawing. Yes. Now we have finished drawing the border lines. Use scale to draw the lines. Now we are going to write the topic. So what is today's topic? Name page. Don't forget to write the topic. Now I'll start with the design. I'm going to draw a flower on all the four corners of the page. Children, here you can draw any type of flower, any shape of the flower. Not necessary you have to draw the same type of flower. All the four corners you can draw different types of flowers. Yes, one more flower in one left corner the page. Now one more flower on the right corner of the page. Yes, so our flowers are ready. Now I'm going to write the name in the center. So when you are writing your name, it should be written in the center, in the middle of the page. So I am writing, see whose name I am writing now? Guess. Yes, Sangeta. Whose name is this? Yes, it is my name, teacher's name. Now I am going to write the standard and division. So what I have written? First B. Now I'll draw one more thing. That is, I'm going to draw sun. You can draw anything as you wish. You can draw cartoons, anything, scenery, anything you can draw and decorate your name page. Okay. Now I finished our outline with the pencil. Now on that I'm going to give the outline with the black sketch pen. So I'm going to give the outline for the flower and to the sun. Yes. Okay. Now our sun outline is completed. Yes. Now another flower. So how many flowers we had drawn? We had drawn 4 flowers on each corner of the page. Yes. Children, one thing you should keep in mind, that when you are giving the outline with the black sketch pen, you have to be very slow. If you do mistake in that, you cannot erase it. Okay. Now I'm going to color the flowers. You can use any colors, your choice colors. See, I had given the outline only to the design part only. I had given the outline with a black color sketch pen. I didn't give the outline for the name, standard and division. We are going to just color that part. You are going to use the colors for coloring the name, standard and division. Yes, so all the 4 flowers I had given pink color. Yes. Over. Now one more flower is left. And I finish coloring the flowers. Now, yes, over. Right? Now we are going to color the middle portion of the flower. So which color will I take? Red color. Children, will not give the same color for the middle portion of the flower. Okay, so you will give any dark color. So I have taken red color, the combination of pink and red. I will be coloring the sun. Sun, I am going to give yellow color. Yellow color. Okay, so our sun is ready. Now we are going to color the name. Blue color I had taken. Okay, dark blue. So when you are coloring the name, you have to give the thick outline. Color it thickly. Should be thick outline. Don't give thin outline. And color it slowly. And try to give dark colors for the name and standard division. Slowly you will color. Again I am repeating. You are going to give thick outline for the name. Thick outline. Then only your name will be seen. Yes, good. Yes, now we are going to finish. We are about to finish coloring the name. Yes, now T. I am going to color T. Yes, after T, one more letter left, that is A. So my name is ready. So I finish coloring the name. Okay. Now I am going to color the standard division. So which color did I take for that? I had taken black color. So black is also a dark color. Okay. So children, you can use your choice colors. Okay. And see the combination how teacher is giving. Okay. Now I am going to show you one more name page. Okay. See what I am going to draw. Here also first I had drawn the border line, then I had written the topic, name, page. What is this? Yes, bunny rabbit I had drawn. Okay, rabbit's face, bunny rabbit's face I had drawn. So you can draw anything. See how beautiful it is looking now. Bunny rabbit. You can draw any cartoons. You can do anything. You can draw smileys. Anything you can draw and decorate the name page. Yes. Yeah. One more. Children, you can draw up, you can draw 3 bunny rabbits. Below down also you can draw 3 bunny rabbits. Here I am going to draw only 4. All the 4 corners. Yes, very good. Now last bunny rabbit is, I'm going to draw the bunny rabbit. Okay. Ears, eyes. Okay, good. Yes. Now, see what I'm going to draw now. I'm going to draw a butterfly. A beautiful butterfly. Yes, I drawn a butterfly. So anything you can draw. Colorful butterfly. You can draw any design in the butterfly. Now I'll be writing the name. Now just see whose name I'm going to write. A R. Then N. A V. Arnav. Oh, I have written Arnav's name. And R. What is R? R means his surname's first letter. Now anything it may be. Arnav Raut. Raut means first letter of Raut is R. It is Arnav Gurav. Then you can write first letter G. Okay. So you can write your name and your surname's first letter. I written standard division first C. Now I am giving the outline to the bunny rabbits. Black color outline. Yes. Slowly you are going to give the outline. Yes. Two bunny rabbits outline we have finished. Yes. Observe nicely how teacher is drawing, how teacher is giving the black color outline. So don't do any mistakes. Very good. Only one bunny rabbit is left. I will start giving the outline to the butterfly. Very nice. Beautiful. It's beautiful it is looking. Now we'll give the outline to the butterfly. You can draw as many butterflies you can draw. Design in the butterfly. So I'll use simple design circles. Now after this you are going to color the bunny rabbits. I'm going to give here pink color. Face I am going to give the pink color. So if you are giving pink color to the face, then you are going to give the ears, you are going to give different color, dark color. So ears I am going to give red color. So pink and red combination. So it should be, the combination should be light and dark. Now I am not going to give the same color for the other bunny rabbit. I am going to give light green color for the face. And which color will I give for the ears? Yes, dark green. So this is the combination of light green and dark green. I'm going to color the other bunny. Which color did I take? I had taken light blue color for the face. And then for the ears, which color will I give? Yes, I'll give dark blue color. Yes, dark blue color. So, here's a combination of light blue and the dark blue. Yes. Now, last one, I'm going to give orange color. Which color? Orange. And for the ears, orange and red. I'm going to give a red color for the ears. So here the combination is of orange and red. So we have finished coloring all the bunny rabbits. Now we are going to color the butterfly. Butterfly also you can give your choice colors. Butterflies you can see, colorful butterflies. So your choice, any color you can give. Okay, design also you will color. So the circles you can use. Now here this is a middle part. We are given brown color. Now for the design, that is circles, you can use different colors. Multicolors you can use for the design in the butterfly. So now our butterfly is also ready. We have finished coloring the butterfly. Now we are going to color the name. Which color did I give for the name? Black color. Which color? Black color. See how I am giving thick outline. Thick outline for the name. Don't give thin outline. Yes. So Arnav. Arnav's name is Ready. Very good. Arnav R. So Arnav, we have finished coloring the Arnav with black color. Now same color I am going to use, that is black for the standard and division. Standard and division. So our name page is ready. So children, our name page is ready. See the first one, I had written my name. See how it is looking so beautiful. And another is Arnav with the bunny rabbits. So children, now you are going to take your drawing notebook and you are going to decorate your name page. Okay, and it should look very beautiful. Decorate it very nicely. Use your creativity. Okay. So hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you. Bye.